bendable, so it can adjust with your hands. So if your hand swells, or if you have bigger hands, smaller hands, you can fit a wide variety.
A garden tool apron. I'm gonna pass it around. If you break it, I'll cry. You can change the settings on the motion detector so that it could be a certain amount of distance. In case
Sorry, in context, photo of it being used. Let's get into it.
Developing from strong grip, finger joints feeling stiff, and then wrist pain from repeating like a motion of maybe twisting or like, grabbing fruit off of a tree.
We chose red because it's like less harsh on your eyes, and then also you don't need that much light, but you just want to be able to see the weed of you when you're driving it.
So this is us. We got lemon as our little item.
So we got one off of how kitchen utensil will be shown on the show, and then we'll have like a strap to it.
So let's start.
The main idea is to make it easier to weed in an upright position. We make use of that by having this two-prong design to grasp the weed into the ground, and then a fulcrum to make the weeding action itself easier. So you just would go up to your weed, insert it, and then pull back. And that's our stand-up weeder. Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the MetaForge automatic planter. It is built around a design based on electric pipettes in chemistry and biology. It's driven around a central hopper system with a easy to grip magnetic lid that opens into a large hopper for placing in seeds. And then by grabbing the textured handle and pulling the trigger, it moves the auger within the needle. The needle is outfitted with depth markers so that when you are placing it into the ground, you can align it with optimal depth for whatever seeds you are planting. And then with a simple push of the button, seeds are pushed from inside the hopper into the ground. This allows you to spend less time down on the ground on your knees, meaning that you will be able to plant more plants faster and with less strain on the body.
All right, so our brand is Zenscape, and our slogan is "Find peace in every petal." And what our product is our pair of indoor plant trimmers.
So you see the blade used for planting, pruning, cutting weeds, or soil. And there's a shovel for digging.
Okay, this is the Helios Bloom. It's a hydroponic system designed to help prepare plants to be transplanted. It's designed to offer the lowest barrier of entry while offering it to grow with you as you become a more advanced gardener.
So we integrated a rising and lowering top with a built-in light, and then there's a grid system that you can put pods in, or you can take it out once you become more skilled and grow your own plants in there.
So this is the AquaBloom robot from Garden Flow. It's a personalized garden watering robot.
And it's completely automated. It solves the boring, mundane task of watering every day and completely just eliminates it. All you have to do is fill him up with water, put him down on the track, and he goes around watering a garden bed every week, whenever you set a schedule. Buy today for $150.
Some of our solutions we made to the pruning project is a serrated edge blade that can work on bigger branches for sawing it down, along with a grip that feels both good in the hand while you're holding it for pruning, and also cutting on the side edge.
This is our ultrasonic speaker rock, which when it detects motion, it'll emit a high-pitched noise through this speaker right here that the pests don't like, so that they'll leave.
Alright, so this is EcoVeil. It's meant to accommodate for hot climates. It's basically a type of veil that's adjustable and you can place on any sort of raised garden bed. So the width.
This is our Amazon page. We have a beautiful review from Jason here.
Hold it up here. you would put your foot on this. It's a wide pedal too, so your actual like whole foot can fit on it, and you would push it down, and then this button right here would clamp and close this, so you can pull the weeds back up. And if you need to, you can even put your like foot up here to like pull it up too, if you need to do that. But yep, and then it also has a light on the bottom of it. Obviously, you'd rather have this to like have some velocity and maybe sperm it out. So whereas like the 60-year-old that we interviewed would definitely be able to be strong enough to do this and use it. So that was kind of our idea. There's definitely a history of arthritis and joint pain.
You can use a shovel, weeder, anything with a long handle that has a radius of 1.5 inches or below.
And then this just kind of, you can move it around a lot. There's a safety trigger to make sure you're not, accidentally starting it. And then a slider with a spring attached where it slides forward to blow the mulch out, and then here to vacuum it up. Yeah.
It's a composter that fits onto any 5-gallon bucket. User experience, we noticed that their pain point was the smell, and our umbrella takes into account that smell, which is using a scented carbon air filter at the top, which would disperse that smell accordingly through these holes and through the top. Creating a very easy operation of composting in your backyard.
Creativity, innovation. It's what's missing in the garden.
So it's a sprinkler system that it adjusts to its particular environment and what you need to have water. So say you have really tall plants, you can extend it higher and it'll reach upper. If you have short plants, you can go lower.
I created the Slug Pub with my class partner, Brenna Atkinson, for natural gardeners who wanted a slug beer trap solution that is more effective, safer, and more aesthetically pleasing. So
Adjustable shaft, so you can really reach down, just pick something up, nice and easy. We've got 2 attachments with us here. The first one is a weed puller. This is the biggest pain point that we identified. Everyone hates weeding, and we're just trying to make that much easier for our target market here. We've also got a rig just pulling out leaves, rocks, whatever might be in your way. And yeah, we've got hexagonal clip at the end here, so whatever attachment you have in the end, it's not going to start spinning around on you.
You go up to a pepper plant, stick the pepper in. When you push it up, a blade would come up, chop the pepper off the tree, and then you could just dump it out into a bag, into whatever collectible you have. And so it makes it a lot quicker, a lot more efficient process for harvesting.
So our brand is called Speedy Beans. It's a company that makes a handheld fertilizer device meant for small-scale gardening solutions, like an apartment with a ton of plants, or if you just have a small, 1 to 2 raised garden beds.
Yeah, and this is our product right here. You're gonna fill it in here, and then turn the handle over your garden bed, and your fertilizer sifts through these plates. You can change them, swap them, international, screw-on thing.
Got a tube running from the hand sprayer down to the pesticide pack that connects to your waste.
How this works is that in the center of this, there would be a small ball attractant, which is 2 types of attractants, a sex attractant and a food attractant. The beetles would then fall into a funnel, and from that funnel they would fall into a bag. This bag is disposable, and the user can kind of decide what they wish to do with it, be it freeze-dry it, feed it to lizards, decompost it, which we would need a decomposable bag for that, or just throw it away.
You just give the pedal a couple presses, and it'll spin this blade in here, and it'll kind of churn everything up and make it turn into usable fertilizer a bit quicker.
We were experimenting with PLA filament, and we put it on mesh, so they printed halfway through, added the mesh, and then printed on top. And then we were messing around with different things that were flexible, and we read the E6000 bottle, and it said it was a flexible glue. So we tested it on top, and it created this rubber that bends and flexes without any breakage.
So this is our product. It's a redesigned plant pot, and it goes along with the service. You buy the plants, and then you send your plants in this type of container, and then you're able to take this and put it into the table. You don't have to bend down. You don't have to be on your knees for hours. It isn't. We were trying to look at other orthopedic solutions with gardening gloves, and there's nothing that really exists that offers both protection and support for arms. And this would also be like the first like compression gardening glove out there.
Reach up and you just snip at it.
Heavy duty canvas. In reality, I would have it waxed. It's got grommets. The straps are buckles and can be adjusted.
You have a hand guard that is flexible, so if you have bigger hands, not to worry. And it stays in motion with you, and it allows for orientation of the product.